This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Chuck Bennett. Coming soon. Welcome to Waterfront Paradise in the serene community of Diana Shores on Merritt Island. This pool home boasts low-maintenance tile floors throughout, along with updated kitchen and baths, offering both elegance and convenience. Step outside to breathtaking water views from your backyard oasis, complete with a boat lift, providing easy access to the Banana River, Indian River, and the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean. Whether you're lounging by the pool, enjoying a sunrise over the water, or setting out for a day of boating adventures, this home offers the quintessential Florida lifestyle you've been dreaming of. Close to NASA, the beaches, shopping and entertainment, and only 45 minutes to Orlando attractions. For more information, review the details below or contact Chuck Bennett at 321-863-2126.